Rode down that road 1,000 times in the light and in the dark, but I never took the right that winds right down to Cypress Park. And I believe for joy I leaped when I turned to make that turn. But unlike the leaves, when I'll leave, I'll just want to return.
The thing about place,
Man thinks they're so special.
really good.
But the birds won't let us forget. Try flying south for the winter and see how far you
Like in
get.
nature here, like here, well, summer sun sets on the horizon.
The birds and trees greeting me was a symphonic tree, and I left behind the noise and wine with a calf in his street. And all the care was sharing there, from the mayor's to Mr. Ed. And the poets' kids laughed and grinned when they heard what I said. 'Cause I said, man thinks they're so special, but the birds won't let us forget. Try flying south for the winter and see
How would I describe the
far
different
you
shades
get.
of green in the contrast?
While
Give you a few
all
seconds to
is
kind of
true.
tackle that idea.
That this area is talking to me. It's telling me some things.
Close your eyes and just listen.
'Cause man
Take notice of the things you hear.
special,
Take a deep breath.
but nature won't
What
let
scents are in
us
the air?
forget.
Now open your eyes, and what's the first thing you can fixate on? What are the colors of it? What's the shape?
As fast as a porpoise. Try living as long as a tortoise. Try traveling the world like some orcas.